In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitch Kick Chat to OBS Studio. By the end, your live chat will appear right on your stream as a clean, customizable overlay. First, sign into your alert and widget provider. Most creators use Streamlabs, and Stream Elements works similarly. Make sure you're logged into the same Twitch or Kick account you plan to stream from so the right chat is connected. Inside your dashboard, find the chat box widget. This is the tool that turns your channel's live messages into a browser-based overlay that OBS can display. Open it up so you can see its settings and, most importantly, the widget URL you'll use in OBS. Before copying the link, take a moment to customize the chat. Pick a theme that matches your branding, choose text and background colors, set whether the background is transparent, and decide if you want to hide commands, bot messages, or badges. You can also tweak emote size and message fade timing to keep things readable. When you like how it looks, save your changes and copy the secure widget URL to your clipboard. Now switch to OBS Studio. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Browser. Give the source a clear name like chat so you can find it later, then paste the widget URL into the URL field. Set the resolution for the browser source. A safe starting point is 1920 for width and 1080 for height, which matches a standard 1080p canvas. If your stream uses a different canvas size, enter those exact dimensions instead so the chat renders crisply. Confirm to add the source, then position and resize it on your canvas so it sits where you want, commonly along an edge with some padding. Font size and style are controlled back in your Streamlabs or Stream Elements chat box settings. If the text looks too small or the font doesn't fit your scene, adjust it on the website, save, and OBS will pull in the update. For the sharpest result, set sizing in the widget first, then fine-tune placement in OBS. That's it. You logged into your widget provider, located the chatbox URL, customized it, added a browser source in OBS, named it chat, pasted the URL, set the source to 1920 by 1080 or your canvas size, and handled styling from the website. You're ready to go live with Twitch or Kick Chat on screen, clean, readable, and perfectly on brand.